Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index and the DXY because it's basically the same. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So US dollar index, pretty sideways price action. First of all, we got a nice impulsive move up. We have a couple pretty decent breaks of structure. I would assume that this is still a wave A, like I was saying earlier this week and last week. I think that this sideways price action is very likely a wave B. I do see one down. I definitely do see what looks like three up, and I definitely do see what looks like a possible, another five waves down. So it definitely looks like a possible 5-3-5 pattern, which is a traditional ABC. So more than likely, the US dollar index, in my opinion, is going to go up. I still think that it's going to go up to at least a 50 to 61%, making a correction to the higher time frames. Now, I am definitely overall very, very, very bearish. I think even if it does start a push to the upside, it's almost definitely just going to be a correction within a much, much stronger downtrend. I'm still looking at least on the US dollar index to hit at least 100% Fibonacci extension. So I'm definitely still very, very bearish on the very high time frames. But shorter time frames with the big impulsive move up that we got and the sideways price action, I would expect to see at least one more push up for some sort of an ABC shape, more than likely right up to a Fibonacci retracement level before it ends up continuing the downtrend again. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.